this pencast, we're going to be learning about finding the solutions for inequalities by graphing. So this problem says find the solution for x squared minus 3x plus 1 is less than 0 by graphing. So in order to do that, we're going to have to graph the left side and the right side of the inequality and then see where they intersect to find the boundaries. So those equations are going to be y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 and y equals 0. So we already have y equals 0 graphed because that's just the x-axis. So to graph y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1, we need to make a table. So let's graph the points -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So in order to find the y value, we plug -1 into the equation. We get -1 squared minus 3 times -1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So 5 goes right here. The next one is 0, so we do the same thing. 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus 1. That's equal to 1. So we put 1 right here. And you get the picture of how we do that, so we're just going to fill in the rest of the table. 1, -1, 2, -1, and 3, 1. Alright. So now we need to graph these points. The first one is -1, positive 5, so that goes up here. Second one is 0, positive 1. The third one is 1, -1. The fourth one is 2, -1. And then 3, positive 1. Alright, so now we need to connect these dots here, like this. We've got some vertex down here. And we're going back up like this. Alright, and this is what our graph looks like. Alright, so now we need to find the values of x at these two intersection points, because that's where the points, where the lines y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 and y equals 0 intersect. So this one is approximately at x equals 0.4, and this one is between 2 and 3, so it's at approximately x equals 2.6, let's say. Alright, so now we basically need to know, okay, so now from these points we know that the equation x squared minus 3x plus 1 is less than 0 between these 2 points. So that's like along this line right here, right? All of these points are where that parabola is less than 0. So our solution set is going to be 0.4 is less than x is less than 2.6. Or the solution is between 0.4 and 2.6. And that is how you solve this inequality by graphing.